Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the new exercise 2b. So in this exercise you will learn how to find the product of the two algebraic expression. So see question number first of your textbook. Question number first part. You have to multiply 8x by 7. So in place of by we will take multiply sign. So first of all you have to multiply sign. On the left hand side of 8x plus sign is given. No sign means plus. On the left hand side of 7 no sign is given. That means 7 sign is plus. So plus multiply plus will become plus only. 8 7 ja 56 and this x also we will write. So final answer of these two number is 56x. Now see another part number 4. Minus 12 lm by, in place of by we will take multiply sign, minus 6. So first of all you have to multiply sign. We will put these number in the bracket because they are having minus sign. Now first of all we have to multiply sign. Minus multiply minus plus, and it is not compulsory to write this plus sign. Now sign are over. Now we have to multiply number. 12 multiply 6. 12 6 ja 72. After that you have to write the alphabet. lm, here no alphabet is there, so this lm we will write as it is. So answer of fourth part is plus 72 lm. Plus you put or not, both way will be correct. If you will not put plus sign, then also your answer will be correct. Now part number 7th part. 3x square by, in place of by you have to take multiply, minus 4x cube. So first of all we will multiply sign. 3x square, no sign is given here on the left hand side, that means plus. Multiply on the left hand side of 4x, it is minus sign. Plus multiply minus will be minus. Now we have to multiply number. 3 multiply 4 will become 12. Now alphabet. X square multiply x power 3. So when we will multiply same alphabet, then their power will get added. So x power 2 multiply x power 3, we will write it as x power 5. Laws of exponent you had studied in the half yearly portion. First term portion I explained you. Product of same numbers, alphabets are same, base are same, we can say base of these two things are same. So on multiplication these power will get added. So x power 2 multiply x power 3, answer will be x power 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will become 5. So that's why on multiply these two we will get minus 12 x power 5. So like this you have to do question number first. Now see question number second. First part, minus 6 xyz multiply 9ax by. So in order to multiply these two, first of all you have to multiply the sign. On the left hand side of 6 minus is there. On the left hand side of 9 plus and minus nothing is there, so we will take plus sign. Minus multiply plus minus. 6 9 ja 54. Number also we had multiplied. Now we will multiply alphabet. X multiply x. X multiply x will become x power 2. Power will get added. Here x power is nothing is there, so 1 we will take. X power here also we will take 1. On multiplication these two power will get added. So x power 2. Y multiply y will become y power 2. Z, but here z is not there, so we will take single z only, this one. A alphabet is also remaining, a also we will take. X is over, B alphabet is also there, so we will take B alphabet also. Y we will not take again because y multiply y we had written as y power 2. So final answer of first part is minus 54 x square y square z a b. So this is your final answer. These alphabets can change their place also. It is not compulsory to write AB at the end. You can take this AB here also. So it is not compulsory that in the answer sheet you will get same way. In the answer sheet it is given AB is given first. A and B alphabet, these two alphabets are given in the beginning, but no problem, your answer is correct if you will do like this also, because all the things are coming here which is given in your answer sheet. So like this you can do question number second first part. Now see another part, part number third. 5p square cube multiply 2p cube multiply minus 10pq square r. Here three terms are in multiplication. 1, 2, 3. So here we have to multiply three things. So first of all we will multiply these two. So we have to multiply sign. Plus on the left hand side of this two, plus all. Plus and plus multiply करेंगे तो answer will be plus only. So no need to write plus sign in the beginning. 5 2 ja 10. P square into P. On multiply power will get added. So P square into P will become P power 3. 2 here and 1 here. Q into Q will become Q power 2. So these two numbers we had multiplied. Now third one we will write as it is, minus 10 P Q square R. Now these two numbers we have to multiply. So we will multiply sign first. On the left hand of 10 plus sign. On the left hand of 10 minus sign. Plus multiply minus minus. Now numbers we have to multiply. 10 multiply 10, 100. P power 3 into P power 1. Nothing is there, that means we have to take 1. So on multiply power will get added. P power 3 multiply P power 1 will become P power 4. Q power 2 into Q power 2, Q power 4. Here R is not given, but on that number, on the in the second term you will see R is there. So on multiplying these two we will get R also here. So final answer of third part is minus 100 P power 4 Q power 4 R. So like this you have to do question number second. Now see question number third. Third question, first part. Heading is same, you have to multiply a square minus 2ab. We have to multiply a square minus 2ab by 4. You have to multiply these two terms by 4. So like this you have to write a square minus 2ab, we have to write in the bracket, and this full algebraic expression we have to multiply by 4. That's why we have written this full expression in the bracket. Now this 4 we have to multiply with both the terms. So first of all we will multiply sign of 4 and a square. This is plus sign. On the left hand of 4 plus sign. Plus into plus will be plus only. A square into 4 when we will do, we will get 4a square. Minus multiply plus sign minus 2 4 ja 8. AB is written here but there AB is not there, so on multiplying these two we will get minus 4 2 ja 8 AB. So this is your final answer of first part. Now see another part, part number third. Two xy plus 3yz minus zx by minus का 5xyz. We have to multiply these three things by means these three things we have to put in the bracket. Then you have to put multiply sign minus 5xyz. These three terms we have to write in the bracket, and these three terms we have to multiply by 5xyz. It is not compulsory to write multiply minus 5xyz in the end. You can write here also like this, minus 5 x, y, z. Instead of writing at the end, you can write in the beginning also. So both the ways are correct. You can do by any method. Minus 5x, y, z, multiply these three terms. Now, first of all, we have to multiply sign. On the left hand of 5, minus sign. On the left hand side of 2, plus. Minus plus minus. 5 2 ja 10. X multiply x, answer will be x power 2. Power will get added. Y multiply y power 2. This z we will write as it is because here z is not given. Now this term we have to multiply with 3 also. So minus plus minus. First of all we have to multiply sign. Minus plus minus. 5 3 are 15. X, here x is not given, so single x we will write. Y multiply y square. Z multiply z square. Now this term we had multiplied with 3yz. Now we have to multiply minus 5xyz with zx. First of all we have to multiply sign. Minus minus will become plus. Now we have to multiply number. This number is 5. On the left hand side of this zx, no number is written, so we will take 1. 5 into 1, 5. X into x, x square. Y, but here y is not there, so single y we will write. Z into z will become z square. So final answer of this third part is minus 10 x square y square z minus 15 x y square z square plus 5 x square y z square. So like this you have to do question number third. Now see question number fourth. Fourth question, first part. Multiply x plus 2 by x plus 4. X plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. So first of all what you have to do? You have to take both the algebraic expression in the separate bracket. Why? Because x plus 2, these are two terms. X plus 4, these are also two terms. So two terms multiply with two terms we have to do. That's why we have to take both the algebraic expression in the separate bracket. Now two methods are there to solve these such types of multiplication. So first method is horizontal method. So in horizontal method what you have to do? In horizontal method, first bracket first term we have to multiply with second full bracket. First term multiply with second full bracket. Now second term, that is plus 2. Sign also we have to take. First term multiplied with full bracket, here we had written. Now second term multiply with again this full bracket, we will write afterward. So horizontal method what you have to do? First term multiplied with full bracket, we will write here. Plus 2 second term multiply by x plus 4 full bracket, we will write here. Now inside the bracket x plus 4 is there. So this x we have to multiply with both the terms. X into x, x square. Plus 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 sign. X into 4, 4x. Now in the same way we will do here also. 2 multiply with both the terms. First of all we will do sign. 2 sign is having 2 sign is plus. Plus multiply plus plus. 2 into x, 2x. Plus multiply plus plus. 2 into 4 will be 8. Now in the next step, like terms we will solve now. Like terms. X square. No other term is having x square, so we will write it as it is. Plus 4x and plus 2x. These are like term. So answer will be plus 6x. Plus 8 we will write as it is. So final answer of fourth question first part is x square plus 6x plus 8. So this is the horizontal method. Like this you have to do question number 4 first part. Now see question number 5th part. Fourth question 5th part. 4x square minus 5y square. This full algebraic expression we have to write in first bracket. By means multiply we have to put, because in the heading it is given, we have to find the multiplication. 2xy plus. So in the heading it is not mentioned which method you have to use, so you can use any method. So in the first part I explained you column horizontal method, horizontal, but this part I will explain you with the help of column method. So in the column method what you have to do, first bracket we have to write upside, second bracket we have to write downside, then we will draw one line. Now this plus 3 we have to multiply with both the terms which are written upside. So this plus 3 multiplied with this number. So first of all we have to multiply sign. Plus minus minus. 3 multiply 5 will become 15. Alphabet is not given, but here alphabet is there, so we will write this alphabet as it is. Now this plus 3 we have to multiply with this term also. Plus 3 multiplied with 5y square we are done, and we have written the answer here. Now plus 3 multiplied with 4x square. First of all we have to multiply sign. Plus plus plus. 3 4 ja 12. Alphabet is not given here, but here alphabet is there. That alphabet we will write as it is. Now this plus 3 work is over. Now we will take this 2xy. Now this 2xy multiplied with these two terms we have to do. So first of all we will multiply 2xy with 5y square. So first of all we will do sign. Plus minus minus. In the rough we will write first. Plus minus minus. Now sign are over. We have to multiply number. 2 multiply 5, 10. Now we will multiply alphabet. X, y into y square when we will do. X is a single, no other x is there, so we will write x as it is. Y into y square will become y power 3. So on multiplying 2xy with minus 5y square, we will get minus 10xy cube. But this minus 10xy cube you have to write under the same alphabet term. In the first line here you will observe no term is having xy cube. This here alphabet is coming x square. Here alphabet is coming y square. When we had multiplied this 3 with two terms, we got these two things. But here in these two things you will observe xy cube alphabet is not there. So what we will do? This minus 10xy cube we will write separately. Here at the end we will write minus 10xy cube. Why we will write in the end? Because under this we have to write y square term. Under this we have to write x square term. And here neither x square is coming nor y square. That's why this xy cube term we had written separately. Now this number we have to multiply with 4x square. So first of all we have to multiply sign. Plus plus plus. Now number 2 4 ja 8. X into x square when we will do, then we will get x power 3. Y into no y is there. So single y we will get. So here we will get the answer plus 8x cube y. When we will multiply 2xy with 4x square. Earlier we had multiplied 2xy with minus 5y square, and our answer is minus 10xy cube. Now 2xy we have to multiply with 4x square. So when we will multiply these two, plus 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 2 4 ja 8, x into x square will be x power 3, and this y also. So 2xy into 4x square is 8x cube y. Alphabet is x power 3y. And in the first line, only two types of alphabet are there. First is x square and another one is y square. And here our answer is x cube y. So we will not write plus 8x cube y here and here. We will write it separately. Either you write in the beginning or you write in the end. So we will write here in the end. We'll write here plus 8x cube y. These are the rough work, so we will erase it. Now we will add these numbers. Under this nothing is written, so we will write as it is. Under this nothing is written, so this one also, plus this term also. So this is your final answer of part number 5th. So this is the column method. This method is known as column method. So in this question number 4th, in the heading it is not mentioned which method you have to use, so you can use any method. So here answer is 12x power 2 minus 5y power 2 minus 10xy cube plus 8x cube y. In the answer sheet, maybe these four terms are not written in this order. In your answer sheet it is written, fourth question, fifth part, 8x cube y is written first, but we had written at the end. No problem, you have to check the sign. In the answer sheet, 8x cube y is having plus sign on the left hand. Our also on the left hand of this term plus sign is coming. Second term is plus 12x square. Our answer is also plus 12x square. Third term minus 10xy cube. This is minus 10xy cube. Fourth term in your textbook is minus 15y square. Our also fourth term is minus 15y square. All the numbers and all the terms are having same sign which are given in your answer sheet. So no need to worry if your order of these terms are different from your answer sheet. The sign and number and alphabet should be same, that our answer is coming. So no need to worry. This answer and answer which is given in your textbook, both are same only. So like this you have to do question number 4th. So now rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video.